Hello and welcome to the latest installment of the StayFi Insider Insight series. Today we're going to be diving into the power of guest reviews and how quickly you can increase the amount that you receive using text marketing. So why do reviews matter? In the world of short-term rentals, reviews can really make or break your business. Positive reviews boost your property's reputation and visibility and lead to more bookings. Negative reviews, on the other hand, can deter potential guests. Now, we've actually crafted our SMS tool to both support increasing your inbound reviews as well as avoiding unnecessary negative reviews. So first thing you're going to want to do is come into text marketing and then go to the rate and review text message feature and click on edit. So what you see here is an editor to set up a text message that will ask guests to rate and review their stay. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select the number of days that you want to wait until after the guest has signed in via the Wi-Fi to receive the campaign, and then go in and set up the actual message you would want the guest to receive. In terms of best practices, you're going to want to keep your messages short and sweet and use our dynamic fields to personalize your messages, like addressing guests by their first name or including the property that they stayed at. As you can see, we have a clean, simple message here as an example. Now, what you see here is the Rate Your Stay page, which is what the guest is going to be seeing once they follow that link. So as you'll notice, it actually connects to one of your specific splash pages as well. You can put a headline here, which would be referenced down here, as well as some body text. And this is the most important part. So you're actually going to have the option to choose what amount of stars you're given dictates whether or not this person will be passed through and asked to leave a review on either your website or Facebook or Google, or they'll be sent away, which will deter them from leaving an actual review. However, you still will be able to get feedback from that. So most people will select 5 stars here because they only want to intake 5-star reviews. And what you'll see here is actually the page that they will be taken to if they did give you those 5 stars. So same thing with the headline and the body, as well as the splash page, which affects the view here. But here you're going to want to select all of the buttons for places you would want someone to leave you a review. So if you're very active on Facebook with your properties, you can ask them to leave a review there. You can ask them to leave a review on Google or on your direct booking site. Wherever you feel would be the most impactful, I would include. If there's really a booking channel that you don't see is as valuable or it's not relevant, be sure to leave it out. You want to make sure that you're driving people to where you want those reviews to end. And it's quite simple. You just put in the URLs and you're good to go there. But what's really unique about this rate and review feature is this feedback page, which is, as you can see, where guests will be taken if they give you less than 5 stars. So rather than have that 4-star, 3-star rating, actually affect your ratings externally, what this does is it allows the guest to, tell you what was wrong with the stay, what was imperfect, and vent a little bit and give that feedback, submit it, and it actually just goes back into our internal servers rather than asking them to go onto Google or leave that review with the OTA. Any of those public facing reviews, they'll just go ahead and enter that in here and feel as if it's already been done, which in many times will save you from taking that rating externally. So once that's all set up, you just click Update, Rate, and Review, and you're all set to go. So there you have it. With StayFi increasing and screening your guest reviews really does become a breeze. Positive reviews will get the spotlight they deserve, while negative feedback is going to be addressed swiftly and efficiently. Thank you guys for watching. Next time I'm going to show you how to transform the negative guest feedback that you get into better reviews for the future.